If your workflow isn't working in Pipedrive, yeah, that can mess up your entire sales pipeline. In this video, I'll walk you through a simple step-by-step fix. First, go into your workflow settings and make sure it's actually turned on. Sometimes it gets paused or disabled without you noticing. Next, check the trigger conditions carefully. If the conditions aren't fully met, the workflow simply won't run. Now, double-check your data, like deal stage, contact details, or labels. Even a small mismatch can stop the workflow from triggering. Also check your user permissions, because if your account doesn't have the right access, the workflow may not execute properly. Now look for any conflicting workflows. Sometimes another automation can override or block your current workflow. Finally, test the workflow manually, create a test deal or update a field, and see if it triggers as expected. And that's it. These steps should fix most workflow issues in Pipedrive. If this helped, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.